Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. From this particular video, we'll be starting a new chapter in cybersecurity, that is social media overview and security. It's a very interesting chapter. Let us look into the contents of the chapter. So the first topic we have, that is types of social media. So this topic is something which is close and which is related to all of us. So let us check about all these things. First one is social network. ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಜನರು ಸೇರುವಂತಹದ್ದು, ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೊಡುವಂತಹದ್ದು, ಒಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಜಾಗನೇ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕೆಲವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. So all these things creates a social network. So social network is a platform for you to have a connection, relationship, and maintaining certain new relationships with people. So where you share many posts, videos, photos, everything. Some of the popular social networks includes Facebook and Twitter, LinkedIn, as well as Instagram. The second one is, this is the second type. The second type is media sharing network. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಕೇವಲ ನಾವು ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಆಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆಡಿಯೋ ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್, which is media sharing network. For example, YouTube is the example where you can share images, videos, audio files, etc. Next is discussion forums. So these are the like online communities where group of people will have a discussion on similar topics, or those people who are interested in few topics. In that topics they will do the discussions. So they will share their opinions, they will ask certain questions. So all these things are discussion forums. For example, we have Quora. Next is bookmarking and content curation networks. So what happens is, some users can save, or they can even share the links of the websites or any other online contents. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅವರದ್ದೇ ಆದಂತ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಅವರು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ, ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. For example, we have Pinterest and Flipboard we have. So this is bookmarking and content curation networks. Next is consumer review networks. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳೇನಾದ್ರು ನೀವು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ಸ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸಸ್, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ರಿವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್. Next is blogging platforms. So micro means small, shorts. So suppose if you want to give any shorter based updates, okay, with limited characters, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಬ್ಲಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಬಳಸಬಹುದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ವಿಟರ್, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನೌ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಬ್ಲಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್. Next we have professional networking platforms. So professionals ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಅವರ ರೆಸ್ಯೂಮೇಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ಜಾಬ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ನ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಬಿಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ಸ್ ಒಂದಿಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹದ್ದು, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಕೆರಿಯರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಹಕಾರ ಆಗುವಂತಹದ್ದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ಇನ್, ವೇರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಯೋರ್ ರೆಸ್ಯೂಮೇಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಜಾಬ್, ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಜಾಬ್, get connected with high sophisticated professionals, take their guidance. All this comes under professional networking platforms. Next we have blogging platforms. So where you can express your own thoughts, you can share your own ideas and experiences, you can create and maintain personal websites. Okay, you can make a community building also over there. That is again the blogging platform. Next, we have social gaming platforms. So, social gaming platforms is where you can play games online with unknown users, which you don't know, unknown people, and you can have the leaderboard, like who is in the top, and you can create a competition between them. And there'll be certain chat rooms also where you can chat with the other players. So, this is also one of the very ongoing trending gaming on social gaming platforms. So that is also one of the type of media platform, social media platform. Next is social commerce platforms. What is a social commerce platform is? So where it is usually known as e-commerce, okay? Where using social media, okay, using social media, the people are able to sell the products. For example, Instagram shopping, Facebook shopping, TikTok shopping. Anyway, TikTok is banned now in India. So based by using the social media, they can sell their products, they can get the customers. So they're using even social media as a commerce tool also. So this was the introduction to the social uh, media, types of social media. Now let us look into the social media platform. So what is a social media platform is? The social media, social media has many platforms, isn't it? So each platforms are designed for different uh, objectives. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಈಚ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮು ಅದರದ್ದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದೆ, ಅದರದರ ಆದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಈಚ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೆನಿ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್. Let us now look into some of the social media platforms, type of social medias. First one is social networking sites. So social networking platform is where you can connect with the friends. ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುವಂತದ್ದು, ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹದ್ದು. These are all the social networking sites where you have example is Facebook and LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is primarily used for the career development objective, and for the professionals use LinkedIn. And Facebook, with the help of Facebook, you can connect with friends, you can make friends, online friends, you can join certain groups and communities. All those things can be done even in Facebook. Next, we have microblogging platforms. The best example is Twitter, where you can really brief of some incidents, but there's a character limitation of 280 characters only, or less than that. You cannot cross that. So you can give your like what your opinion on some ongoing incidents, which is known as tweets. You can tweet also. So again, that is also microblogging platform, which is a short microblogging is a short blogging platform. Next, you have media sharing networks where you will share photos, videos, your travel experiences through photos, videos, and your personal experiences, where people will share that, comment, like that videos. Many things are there. So, for best example is Instagram is there as well as YouTube. So these two are media sharing networks. Next, you have content curation platforms. So what is this content curation platform is? You can have your personalized collection, so you can save some ideas, you can pin some websites, you can bookmark some websites for some images, all those things. The best example is Pinterest. So which allows a user to save his ideas whatever he wants. So you can have your personalized collections, personalized saving collections. Next, professionals and creative networks. So, some artists will be there, some designers, dress designers. So, they need to show creativity. They should showcase all their talents. Again, for them, there is a separate platform. For example, is Bedance. Bedance is for the creative professionals like artists and all. And we have GitHub. GitHub is where the software developers, so they will help you to design the code, or if you want any code development, they will do it, they will share the code, they will help you in the projects. That can be done on the GitHub platforms. Next, we have discussion forums and question and answer forums. So again, where many people come and discuss on the same topics, they will share their own opinions, they will share a content on wide range of topics. We have Reddit and Quora. Quora is a platform where you can post the question and get answers from the experts as well as community. Next, we have live streaming platforms where you can stream the live video games or any other content, and you can do the live broadcasting. Twitch we have, and even you can do that in YouTube also, the live streaming platforms. Next, you have messaging platforms where it is used to communicate to another person in the form of message. You can do video calls, voice calls. You can give the status updates of yourself. You can have a group chats. So all these things are comes under the group of messaging apps. You have WhatsApp Messenger, Telegrams. You have even Instagram also. You can do this thing. Next, we have dating apps for adults. For the you can even search your romantic partners. Okay, you can share the mutual understandings. You can connect with them. So all this comes under dating apps. Next, you have location-based social networks. For example, you have gone through any hotels and you want to put the review of that hotel, or you have visited any places. Okay, visiting places, tourist places, you want to give a review for that place. Again, there's a platform for that, that is Foursquare. For example, for that is Foursquare. So where you can give your opinions, your review on certain locations or the places wherever you have visited. That is location based social network. Next, we have niche and specialized networks. So specialized for different particulars. So for example, for getting books, if you have the habit of reading novels, books, fiction, non-fiction stories and all, you have Goodreads, okay, where you can share reviews and recommendations there also. And we do have Strava for person who goes gym, who is very conscious about fitness, work. They every day they do the workouts, so they can share all those things on the social media platform also. So these are the types of social media and social media platforms. Hope you have understood this video very well. In my next video, I'll come back with some more topics of this chapter. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.